So the first question is, in the diagram the point ABCD E lie on the circle center O. AD is the diameter and DAC equals to 33 degree and AC equals to 70 degree. They tell us to find CDA. So we need to identify CDA on the diagram. So CD is here. Okay. So to find CDA, we need to consider the triangle ADC. So in the triangle ADC, the angle 33 degree plus ACD plus angle CDA equals to 180 degree. Okay. So we need to find these two angle ACD. So we know the angle at semicircle is 90 degree or right angle. So ACD equals to 90 degree as it is angle at circumference over semicircle. Okay. So 33 degree plus 90 degree plus CDA equals 180 degree. So CDA will be 180 degree minus 123 degree, that becomes 57 degree. So CDA equals 57 degree. So the next question is find DEC. So first identify where DEC is. So DEC is here. So I can clearly see the DEC equals CAD because they are angle at circumference from same segment. So segment CD, from segment CD, the angle at circumference DEC equals CAD equals 33 degree. Okay, so DEC equals 33 degree. So moving to the next questions. The next questions tell us to find ABC. So mark ABC on the diagram first. So ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, cyclic. So the opposite angle of the cyclic quadrilateral are add up to 180 degree. So ABC plus ADC equals to 180 degree. So ABC will be 180 minus 57 degree, and this becomes 123 degree. The answer is ABC equals to 123 degree. They tell us to find reflex EOA. So what is reflex angle? Reflex angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Okay, so by reflex EOA they mean this angle EOA. So we can find this angle using the relationship between angle at center and angle at circumference. And angle at center will be 70 multiplied by 2, which is 140. So this is 140. So the angle of the center of the circle is 360. So we can find the reflex EOA by subtracting 140 from 360. So which is 220 degree. So reflex EOA is 220 degree. So the next questions. In the diagram, ABCDE lie on the circle center O. BOE is a straight line and DAB equals to 34 degree. Find X. So we need to find X. So there is relationship between 34 and X. The center angle is X and circumference angle is 34. So X will be double 34. So which is 68 degree. The next question, they tell us to find Y. So Y is here. So to find Y, we need to use the cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Okay. So DCBA is cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite angles are 180. So Y equals to 180 minus 34 degree, which is 146. The next question, they tell us to find Z. So to find Z, as they are on the same segment, Z is the circumference angle and X is the center angle. So Z will be half of X. So we know X equals to 68. So Z will be half of 68, which is 34 degree. Next we need to find T. So we know that DE is the diameter. So BAE equals to angle at semicircle, which is 90 degree. So T equals to 90 minus 34 degree, which is 56 degree. So T will be 56 degree. So these are some practice problems on circle theorem. Thank you.